our steel has arrived for our stairs.
Yeah.
And this is the first of 5 pieces.
You guys got it? Mm-hmm. And you can see the cleats on the floor. They're going to push that steel right up tight to that.
That's right. This is the first piece of the floating stairs that Michelle really envisioned from the start, going up to the office space.
Yeah, the floating stairs with the wooden treads and the steel. It's going to be beautiful.
Yep.
All right, the first piece to go up is the handrail. They're pre-drilling all the holes to the screws. By doing that, and you drill it the right size, that screw actually holds better than a wood that's not drilled. He drives the lag bolts in with the impact driver, but he holds the tip just away from the steel so he doesn't scratch it. Then he comes back and tightens them all up by hand. All right, now this is the piece that's going to receive the stringer for the stairs. This has to be pretty precise. If you look at that little space right there, that's where the stringer that comes up the sides will actually sit in there. And there's a little shelf for the bottom of the stringer to sit on. All right, so the riser piece is installed and ready for the stringers. So we bring them in one at a time.
Okay. Down.
Hold on.
Bottom. On top. There you go. Okay.
Get one bolt in there.
Tell me what to do.
Wait a minute, trying to get a bolt in.
We got one started.
Okay,
Just hang in there for a little bit more.
nice. Let's bring the other one in.
All hands on deck.
Go.
Go.
I'm good.
Down a little bit more. Slide out a tiny bit more out to you. There you go. There we go. It's not going.
All right, so the stringers are temporarily in place. They have to be bolted, but I want to check our stair tread to see how the height of the riser is and how they're going to fit. Now this LVL doesn't run in this orientation. If you look right here, you can see how they're all standing up. Well, this was laying down in this way. We wanted the orientation of the grain to be going up and down because it's stronger that way. So we ripped them down, planed them down, and screwed them together. Now what I have to do is I have to cover this with this white oak flooring, lock mitered corners. So if I put this in place like that, and I take a measurement from the finished floor to the top of my tread, I am 7 3/4. I need 7 1/2. So that's all going to work out good because what I want to do is I'm going to make a rabbiting cut, remove that piece, and bring it right down the 1/4 of an inch exactly where we want it. And I got to do that on each end. All right, I made a quick jig to guide my router so I can cut my rabbet right here. I basically have a straight cutting router bit. I set my router bit the 1/4 inch depth, which is the thickness of the steel. All right, that's one side. Now we'll take it off and do the other side. This combination handrail and guardrail is the 5th and final piece of steel for the staircase.
We're gonna go right in.
Yep.
Now we're ready to put the structural part of the stair tread down. We've got pre-drilled holes, I've got spacers here, and this is basically like a cardboard. And the reason we want that down is over time, we don't want the stairs to squeak.
All right, let's see here. Good. All right, these are our white oak treads. It should be very snug. Perfect. And this piece of oak here is going to hide the underside of all of these treads.
Yep, that'll recess right up underneath and be flush with the bottom edge of the tread.
All right, I'll cut the next one.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.